In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new status to a Jira workflow. Jira, as many of you know, is a powerful tool widely used for project management, particularly in agile environments. Sometimes as your project evolves, you might need to introduce new statuses to better reflect your workflow. So let's dive into this step-by-step process. First, head over to Jira. You can do this by simply navigating to your Jira dashboard. If you're already logged in, you should see your homepage or a list of spaces and projects you're working on. If not, sign in with your credentials to get started. Once you're on your homepage, take a look at your spaces or projects. This is where all your projects are organized, and you'll need to select the space or project that you're working on. Click on that space or project to drill down further. Once you've navigated to the correct project, you'll need to look for the board associated with it. Typically, you'll find this in the sidebar or under a designated section that says Boards. Simply click on the board to access all the issues and workflow settings associated with your project. With your board open, find an existing issue that you want to modify or examine. This part is crucial because by clicking on an existing issue, you gain access to modify its associated status within your workflow. Once you've selected the issue, you should notice on the right side of your screen a section dedicated to issue management. This includes details like status, assignee, priority, and much more. Here's the key part. To add a new issue or modify the existing ones in your workflow, you'll likely notice a button for adding new issues or changing the status next to your current selection. Clicking on this button lets you plan out the transitions in your workflow better. Now that you're looking at your issue configuration, you can change its status. You might want to change it to something like in progress, waiting for customer, or even resolved. This is where you truly tailor your workflow to fit how your team operates. Keep in mind, when you alter statuses or add new ones, it's all about ensuring clarity and better tracking for everyone involved in the project. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to adding new statuses in a Jira workflow to boost your team's productivity and effectiveness. By customizing these statuses, you can make sure each step of your project is clearly defined and visible to all team members. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you continue refining your project workflows in Jira.